In the last video, we studied how the incandescent light bulb works. The electric current flowing into the bulb heats up the filament, which in turn glows and gives off light. We note that electric current heats up the object through which it flows. Do you remember which metal the filament of the bulb is made up of? Yes, it's made up of tungsten. There are two specialities of this metal. First is that it's a conductor of electricity but not an efficient one. Or in other words, it conducts electricity but not efficiently like say copper. So it converts lots of electrical energy flowing through it into heat energy and light energy. And secondly, it can withstand very high temperatures going up to 3400 degrees Celsius. There is another material called nichrome which also converts lots of electrical energy into heat energy. It's made up of two metals, nickel and chromium. A nichrome wire can withstand temperatures up to 1400 degrees Celsius. It's used in many modern electrical appliances like electric iron. Do you know how an electric iron works? In an electric iron, there is a coil made up of nichrome wire. Basically, nichrome wire is wound around a thin mica sheet. Mica, by the way, is an insulator. But at the same time, it's a very good conductor of heat. It means that electricity cannot flow through it, but heat can. The two ends of the coil are connected to the two terminals of the electric iron. When the current flows in the coil, the nichrome wire heats up. By the way, lots of energy is required to heat it up. Hence, electric iron consumes lots of electricity. So the coil then transfers the heat to the outer steel plate through the phenomenon known as conduction. Do you know what that is? In simple words, it's transfer of heat between two bodies in contact with each other. Yes, contact is important for the heat transfer to take place. So here, the coil and the steel plate are in contact with each other and the heat transfer takes place between the two. So this is how an electric iron functions. Here, the heating element is the coil, which is just the nichrome wire wound around a sheet of mica. Nichrome wires are also used in electric heaters and electronic cigarettes. In the next video, we will look at something called the electric fuse. See you there.